Hello, Anthony Morgan here, and you're listening to Crypto News. Solana Monkey Business has emerged as the leading force in the NFT market, boasting a remarkable daily sales figure of $971,164 on Thursday, according to CryptoSlam data. This impressive performance underscores Solana's growing influence in the NFT space. On Wednesday, Solana ascended to the top of the NFT market, achieving the third highest sales volume and ending a two-day streak where Unchained had dominated. The all-time sales volume for Solana Monkey Business now stands at $208.9 million, just $2.5 million shy of breaking into the sector's top 30, currently held by Sats, a BRC-20 NFT. The Solana blockchain, which hosts the top-ranking Solana Monkey Business collection, saw a 4% increase in daily sales, reaching $3.23 million. Ethereum, however, continued to lead all chains with a total sales volume of $4.56 million. DMarket claimed the second spot in daily sales with $573,154, supported by 3,137 unique buyers and 2,841 sellers. This collection, operating on the Mythos blockchain, experienced a slight decline from the previous day's sales of $603,635. Bored Ape Yacht Club, a major player in the NFT market and the second all-time leader in sales on the Ethereum blockchain, secured the third position with a daily sales volume of $519,100. Unchained Cards, which led the market for 2 consecutive days, dropped to the 4th spot, while the DogeZuki collection claimed 5th place. Pudgy Penguins also maintained its presence in the top 10 with a daily sales volume of $428,658, continuing to attract significant attention in the NFT community. Thanks for being with us. I hope you find the video worthwhile. Until next time.